to my vlog. I'm officially starting my vlog. But yeah, get it? But okay, I know. I'm sorry. I'm hyped. Y'all don't understand. This is a long time coming, okay? Yesterday was my birthday. Thank you, God. And every year of my birthday is another milestone. That is officially the beginning of a brand new year. So my birthday is my new year, okay? I have officially started the concept of reflecting, self-reflection. Where did I fall short last year? What did I keep doing that was wrong? How did I enhance? How did God enhance me? What did God slap me with this year? A whole lot. This vlog is actually one of the things that I procrastinated with all last year, mainly because I just had this real serious self-esteem issue. Like, I got some good ideas, but I ain't gonna be able to do that. And it's enough of that, okay? It's time to really step into what God is going to allow me to do. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. This vlog is all about style, all about my style. Fashion style, eating style, workout style, speaking style, acting style, reacting style, hair style. It's very, very important that we focus on how we present ourselves in our everyday routines and lives, especially when you're a Christian. There is a very high standard that the Lord holds us to, even though He understands that we're human and we're flawed and everyone falls short, but we are to always strive for excellence. Always. So with that being said, I am stepping into my excellence. For those of you guys who do not know me, my name is Shantice. I go by Shantice brand because, you know, I really did a lot of research on your brand, your personal brand. You know, we don't even realize that we're presenting our personal brand in our everyday routines and lifestyle. Whether we're at home, whether we're out in the street, whatever we do, whatever we wear, how we speak, how we eat, everything is portraying our brand. It's very important that I step into everything God needs me to do, everything that He planned for me to do. So, real quick, for those of y'all who do not know me, I sing. I sing. I didn't drink the right tea. Nah, but seriously, I was pursuing music. I have been singing in church since I was like 5 or 6. I was really pursuing music. It died out because, you know, after a while, it was just so many doors closed in my face. And then after a while, back in 2012, I said, you know what? I'm gonna do this again. I'm singing again. I'm pursuing it. I was in the studio. I got me a manager, everything. In 2013, the transition started to happen. God pulled me out of the clubs. He started stripping people out of my life. It was like getting really intense. Fast forward to 2017, the summer of 2017, I was well on my way of making a little name for myself as my life to the Lord. November of 2015, I got baptized July of 2016, so I then made the transformation from being an R&B singer to a Christian singer, gospel singer. I was, you know, doing my thing. I was like, Lord, okay, I can't be an R&B singer anymore, so please just make my heart genuine to what you have for me to do as far as music. And I was getting, you know, my little thing going on, rewriting my music and everything. And the summer of 2017, God said, stop. I need you to put all your plans on pause. Take all your plans off the table, because I am going to use you to bring my people to me via the embroidery machine that I have just provided to the church. Now, I just told y'all that I was into music, right? That was my field. That's what I was doing. That's what I've known all my life. And now you're telling me you want me to do embroidery. I don't know anything about embroidery, God, but okay. There's no question of if I'm going to do it. It's just how am I going to do this? I asked God once again to please make my heart genuine to it, because if I don't really want to do it, I'm not going to do it, and I'm going to like start drifting off. It was kind of a rough patch to get into it. My mother, who was also my pastor and my business partner, she was hands-on, jumped in, she did the training. I said, well, you work the machine, I'm going to generate the sales because I ain't touching that thing. It looks complicated, I ain't with it. Coming home one day and actually watching her do every single thing, I was like, no, I have to help her. I have to help take some of the labor off her hands. And then before you knew it, I knew how to work the whole machine. Before I knew it, I fell in love with the machine. Just learning something new, being able to do something that I said out loud repeatedly I cannot do, so that's why I did not want to do it. And God showed me that, no, I'm blessing those hands. I'm blessing that intellect. You know, I'm gonna let you see that you have a lot more going for you than just music. And for whatever the reason is, He has chosen embroidery, fashion, and design to be part of my ministry, a heavy part of my ministry, as to how I'm going to evangelize and bring people to Him instead of music. So does that mean I will never pick up a microphone again? No, that's not what He said. I'm waiting for that green light sometimes, but I have such a genuine passion for embroidery fashion. So that has birthed so much. Has birthed SB, Shanti's brand. As far as my clothing brand, my clothing line, it has birthed Transformed Image, which is a Christian modeling agency that focuses on how to present yourself in fashion. No one said you cannot love God and fashion. There's a difference between becoming vain, being consumed with vanity, and being on the other side of being conscious of how you look, what you wear, because we are what we wear, and loving God at the same time. As long as you understand and you allow God to give you that balance, it's on and popping. You good. I really want to just vlog my everyday life, my SB brand. It's coming to y'all real soon. I'm also promoting the concept of I Wear Me, meaning wear your own name, create your own brand name apparel. Stop investing your hard-earned money into all of these high price or whatever. I don't care whether their shirts are $100 or $2. Just investing your money into someone else's name and brand. We do not take the time long enough to really focus on who we are and investing in ourselves. And our clothes, materialism, we're always willing to invest in that. It'll take you forever sometimes to make $100, and you'll be quick to go spend $100 on somebody else's clothing brand. But if someone gave you the opportunity to wear your name, I want y'all to think about that real quick. So yesterday was my birthday, like I said, and I did have to make a last minute wardrobe change because I really wanted to wear, my friend who's a seamstress, she made me this really dope white circle skirt, and I really wanted to wear that, but I chose to go to a restaurant that was in the village, in the city, and the Long Island Railroad does not go over there, which meant that I had to take the regular subway. And I was like, do I really want to wear a white skirt on the subway? No, I did not. I pulled out my blazer that I haven't worn in I don't know how long, and I just branded it with my lovely SB logo. I love doing my SB logo in metallic thread, so anytime you see it, 9 times out of 10 it will be in metallic thread. Metallic is just a nice shiny, like, popping thread. And so I had this blazer on. I threw on some nice jeans. I threw on some black Guess Hills that I had just purchased from Macy's, my favorite store. I just had a wonderful, sexy birthday. It was just great. But let's rewind a little bit. I went to go run this, and you have to hoop this. And when you hoop it, you put it on the machine. Well, I wasn't paying that much attention like I should have. And I didn't hoop it. Well, I hooped it properly, but I didn't make sure that it wasn't like stuck together. And this ended up happening. So now I have a hole in my blazer. Horrible. Thank God I decided to keep my locks for my birthday because I was able to just cover the hole in my locks last night because I didn't have time to make another adjustment. But that's what I'm going to do today because this can't rock. No. We actually started doing patches earlier this year, so I'm going to do an SB patch to now put on this side, and it might actually come out really nice because it's going to be on the same side, and I did actually want to start doing my tops like that. That's what we gonna try. Alright, y'all, so here is one of the loves of my life. We're getting everything set up. So here's my design on the machine, here's the material, and here is the metallic. Please don't step back just cause it ain't easy. Do we really need... Alright, so patch is done. I just cut it out, but now I have to burn off these edges with our handy dandy hot knife here.